Today, I'll walk you through how to check scenario logs in Make, so you can troubleshoot your automations with confidence. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, log into Make by opening your browser and heading to the Make website. Sign into your account and access your workspace, which is where all your automation building happens. Once you're in, click Scenarios from the left navigation menu. This displays every workflow you've created in your workspace, so take a moment to orient yourself to the list of scenarios you see. Now, locate the specific scenario whose logs you want to review. If you have many scenarios, use the search bar at the top to quickly narrow things down. Click the scenario name and the scenario builder will open, revealing the visual workflow you've designed. Your next task is to find the History, Executions, or Scenario Runs section. Different versions of Make may label it slightly differently, but it's usually a tab or panel within the builder. This area stores records of every previous run, so you're essentially opening the timeline of your automation. Review the list of recent scenario runs. Each execution shows key information like the runtime, the status, and the number of operations used. Keep an eye on the statuses. Success means everything completed correctly. Warning means it ran with minor issues. And error means the workflow failed during execution. These are your first clues. Click on an execution entry to open its detailed information, and you'll see the path the data followed through your scenario. Completed modules will display execution details, so you can trace exactly what happened step by step. From here, inspect individual module results by clicking each module within the execution view. Review the input data received and the output data sent, along with any processing results. Pay special attention to incoming data from trigger modules. Confirm all expected fields are present and verify the output data sent to destination apps, checking for missing or incorrect values. If a run failed, click the module showing an error and read the error message carefully. That message is your starting point for solving the issue. Determine exactly where the workflow stopped to narrow down the cause, and verify that connected apps are still authorized. Reconnect accounts if needed. If filters exist in your scenario, check whether data passed or was blocked, since filters often explain why certain actions did not run. Confirm that all mapped fields contain valid values, and review the number of operations used during the execution to monitor your activity and plan for limits. Finally, compare multiple executions by opening several recent runs and looking for differences between successful and failed runs. Patterns will emerge. When you're ready, test the scenario again by clicking Run once to generate new sample data and observe the results. You now know exactly how to check scenario logs in Make and use them to keep your automations running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!